Hi everyone, and welcome back to our SQL Insights series. In today's tutorial, we're diving into question 25, how to find customers who bought all categories of products. We'll explore the logic behind this task step by step, break down the SQL query that solves it, and explain how it works in SQL Server. Let's see the scene. You've been asked to identify customers who have purchased at least one product from every category your business offers. The goal is to return a list with customer number, first name and last name, as well as total number of categories they've purchased from. You only want customers who bought products from all categories, not just some of them. Let's look at a sample output. Each of these customers bought from all the 20 categories from the products table. To answer this question, we're working with three tables. Customers table contains contact info like customer number, first and last name, postal code, and phone. Customer number is the primary key. Orders table is the transaction, and each row is a sale made by a customer. It stores customer number, product number, part number, and order date, etc. Products table gives the full product info, and each product belongs to one category. Columns of products table include product number and part number, which uniquely identify the product, SKU description, price, category, and category number. Here's the query that solves this, and we will show step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Join the tables. We start by joining orders and products to get the category number for each product ordered, and orders with customers to get the customer's name. Step 2. Group by customer. We group the results by customer number, first name, and last name to analyze each customer's purchases. Step 3 is to count distinct categories purchased. This tells us how many unique categories each customer has bought from. Step 4. Filter only those who bought all categories using having. This line compares the number of categories a customer has purchased to the total number of categories in the products table, which is achieved by a subquery. Only customers who've bought products of all categories will be returned. Step 5. Sort the result. This simply orders the result by customer number ascending, as requested. Execute the query, and we know there are 8 such customers in this dataset. So to recap, we joined 3 tables: orders, products, and customers, grouped by customer to count how many unique categories each bought, used a having clause to filter those who bought every category, sorted and selected key fields for the final report. This is a classic example of using aggregates, groupings, and subqueries in real-world business reporting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.